don't even see you.
Do all that so y'all can see her. That don't make no sense to me.
So I decided to take my hair and not be in a bun all the time because 90% of the time.
It was because she was getting on this video with y'all.
Y'all, will you please go tell him to review the videos and I'm always in a bonnet or a scarf?
I live with you. I know what I'm seeing.
A bonnet and a scarf.
You seeing at this place?
Yes. So guys, let's come back. We are packing. I wanted to do a pack with me. We are gonna be gone.
Well, I'm packing. She trying to model for y'all while she do this. That's what she trying to do.
You see what? Do y'all see what I have to deal with?
The real deal.
Y'all see the real deal when I'm in bed and I can't do nothing, and that's where I've been at all day.
Tell Miss Ann. Tell her.
Who is Ann?
One of them ain't Ann.
Ain't nobody named Ann.
Okay. Miss, you know what I'm talking about.
He just making people up. Anyway, y'all, so we're packing because we're gonna be gone for 5 days with track. We leave on Wednesday. Today is Saturday. This guy, where were you at? Over there, his birthday. So we have clothes all over the bed, as you can see. And we're getting ready to do this, and I'm gonna bring you guys along to show with chronic illness, like sometimes we have to do a little bit differently with lupus, especially for like protective clothing, sunscreen, and
put makeup on and stuff to make.
I don't even have no makeup.
Oh, well, I thank Jesus. Woo, I'm gonna do a blog on that myself.
You gonna let me finish?
Go ahead, baby. I'm just right here.
Yo, Lord Jesus. So first I gotta start with unpacking my suitcase from
3 months ago.
Has it been 3 months? Yeah. Whenever I went to Charlotte.
3 months. That's a shame.
It's whatever.
It could have been back. Was it in March? Yeah, it was in March.
Was it March? And it was spring
June.
break.
Yeah. Isn't that sad?
Real life.
Ain't no
you know, that is real life.
Exactly. Now she want to talk about real life.
Lord Jesus, I have been as transparent as possible.
Except for now.
Whatever. I just said, maybe I should just stop.
This ain't what I see every day right here.
Maybe I should just take my hair down and put some clothes on, because what I had on was not camera appropriate. I can't have stuff hanging and slanging. They'll be done censored the doggone video, y'all. Let me get started. So I'm going to show you how, first I got to unpack and because I think the stuff that's in here.
She not even going to make the trip then.
The thing that was in here was stuff that was for cold weather. Because it was like finicky when we went to South Carolina and to North Carolina.
Finicky is what? Finicky, baby.
It was really weird. One day it was hot, and the next day it was cold. So I had like hot and cold stuff. So
she said finicky.
What other choice words would you have liked me to use, dear?
I'm saying, Jesus, keep going, baby. I like this. I mean, this is. Ooh.
Do y'all see what I got to deal with? Lord. Back to the matter at hand. I'm about to show you the suitcase and we'll get started. All right, this is our luggage, all in score, dust and all. Well, my luggage. I don't know the measurements. I'll have to look it up. But we brought it up. Sorry, I'm not used to this selfie stick thing. So, okay, it's the hard luggage. We decided we switched because that's more durable with as much as we travel. And it's the Liberty USA brand. Hey guys, this is the Amazon brand that's similar to my set. I'll leave the link in the description box. So we have the large one that has the extendable for more space, and then we have the medium size that he's trying to.
Y'all make sure y'all get the dust free one. See the one she got? Don't get that one.
You know what? Be quiet. All right, so let's focus. This is all my stuff. No dirty clothes, so don't think that all these are clean. That I packed when we, went to North Carolina.
So some is dirty?
No, they're not dirty. I said don't think that they're dirty. They're all clean clothes. Please let me do my video. I even had my pea coat in here because we didn't know. So let me get this stuff out of here, and then I'll come back. So the hubby just said, don't try to overdo it. Just do a little. We got tomorrow and Monday. He already knows the life of the chronic illness. But I'm going to try to get this done maybe tonight. Alright guys, so it's all clear. So I have this toilet, I don't know, I use this for my toiletry bag. It is very old, but that's what I put my stuff in. But I also have, this is what we had, I think it was a sheet set or quilt or something, but I keep them. And so once I get all of my toiletries inside of here, I'll put it in this bag, and that's just double protection so nothing leaks. So start off, of course, got your toothbrush. I always lose my toothbrush holder. I've went through so many, I don't even know. So I gotta go to the store and get a new one. My toothpaste, I use Dove soap and Dial, and I have the shower gel one also. But I do have a soap holder. Powder, because I'm a big girl. You're in the heat, so you gotta have some powder. Got your mouthwash, antibacterial wipes, because you know we're actually staying at an Airbnb house, so we'll have other, like our laundry detergent and you know dish soap, just in case, because we don't know what they're gonna have in the fact that we're there so long. All of this will go in here, and I will do my perfumes and all of that, and sunscreen. I'll do that on Monday when I have a better, you know, gauge of what all I'm going to be bringing. Alright guys, so I will do my jewelry in this little sash ring. It is a, let's see, focus, sorry. I can't get it to focus, but I'll put the name across the screen. Anywho, I got this from TJ Maxx, or no, I got it from Ross. And it comes with the phone charger inside of the purse. So your phone never dies when you're out and about. So I thought that was pretty neat. I think it was less than, I know it was less than $20. It might have been even 10. I got this a couple. I will go ahead and start packing some of my hair bands and accessories like that, which I will just actually put these inside of here to eliminate having to get a different So I have it organized. I still have stuff that I have to put in here, but I'm gonna do that on a different day. These are like just shirts that I'll, like everyday shirts, undergarments, socks. Instead of bundling them, I'll just lay them out flat to save space. These are lounge clothes and PJs and stuff like that. These are my sundresses and skirts. And all of these are my pants. And these are my workout type clothing. My moisture resistant stuff, which is a lifesaver when you are out in the heat. So next I will be putting the final things in here on tomorrow. I have my, like, a little black dress and my pantsuit that I will probably wear, but I have not decided. So the must-have is sunscreen. I have the SPF of 70. I gotta buy some more. I think I'm gonna go higher, probably 100. I have my big floppy hat. I have a black one, but I have to find it. So that stuff does not go in the sunscreen doesn't go in the luggage. I have a backpack that I take when I'm at track, so the sunscreen stays in there because that's when we're outside. So that is very important for us Lupies. This is where my medicines are in. So this will be the last thing. I really don't actually put this in the suitcase. It will go in the book bag or somewhere close in the vehicle. So I'll be taking all of my medications. Some people do their pill containers, but the rule is anything can happen. But if you have narcotics or anything like that, that could be a controlled substance, and you're pulled over, you can get in trouble if you don't actually have the bottle. So that's a tip. Make sure you just take your original bottles. It just saves a headache. Even take all of your PRN medications with you. So this is the cute little case, and all my meds fit in there. So I take everything that I take just in case. Alright guys, in the real life, I had to stop so many times just to get that little bit done. I'm like out of breath and my back is killing me. That's why I had it in the chair, but it fell, and then my husband had to help me, and we put it on the our bench at the foot of our bed to make it easier. My electric blanket will go because when you're in a flare, or when you travel, normally most people get in a flare. Like, even no matter how much rest you get, it normally happens. My Raynaud's always acts up, so I will have my electric blanket. We've taken extra pillows because even though it's a house, I mean, we've done the Airbnb for track last year, and there's still stuff you still have to bring to make it, feasible for you while you're there. So I'm trying to think. I'm gonna just look over everything, because when you can't pack completely, it makes you, I don't know. I like to do it all at one time, but the body that I have right now is not gonna allow me to do that. I take your grocery store bags, like your Walmart plastic bags. I take multiple of those. I put my shoes in them, and then I'll put it, the zipper part, which I'll show that. I'll try to remember to show that. I do it for dirty clothes, like if we're going somewhere for like 2 days. We do the scented trash bags for Easter stuff. But the fact that we're going to be there, we're going to have like one of those gray bins of all of our household stuff that we need, all of her toiletries and incontinence supplies. It's a lot for our family. Just, we can't just you can pack up and go, but it's a lot that has to go into it. You know, with my health, and then with Easter situation, we have to make sure she's fully covered with everything. Having enough soaps and vinegars and all of that stuff. Like, we have to make sure all of that is together. And so that's why we are actually doing it this many days in advance. So we can kind of go through our inventory and say, hey, we still need this, or we got to go buy more or whatever. Back in the bonnet, y'all. So a good thing I forgot to say is make a list. If you know you're going to be gone for somewhere over 2 days or whatever, make a list so you don't forget, because you know us Lupis have brain fog for real. So I'm going to do a PDF that you guys can, if you want it, you can request it, and I can just email it to you, and I'll try to figure out how to make it to where you can modify it to add stuff. But I think that would be easier, because even though I know what I gotta do, I still forget. So I will be doing that for you guys. So bye.